Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, didn't really go as planned. So I originally was going to come out and do some work on the Bora's glow plugs, because if you've been watching along, you'll know that the glow plug harness is completely destroyed, and my aim and goal was to fix the harness, test the glow plugs with a multimeter, showing you at home how to do that as well, and hopefully make the car start a lot easier. When I came out to the car, it's been sat for weeks, weather's been absolutely horrendous, and I'm now in a situation. I think this setup here is pretty self-explanatory. So basically, when I got the car, it came like this, and the mole grips were actually an added extra. These sat there. This cable was obviously further in the engine bay, and all you done was hold the cable and pull the wire, and it opened the bonnet. But as you can see, the cable has came right out, which means it's detached itself from the latch and I can't get access. I have removed the front grille. I've watched a few YouTube videos and a lot of people are saying to go underneath the front of the car, reach up and then unlatch the bonnet itself. But the situation I'm in is, as you can see, don't have a lot of room. The car, even though judging by the arch gap, is lowered, and I don't have a jack or axle stands, and it's on a slope, so I've really got myself in a situation here. So basically all this video is to ask if any of you Mark IV owners have had this problem before or know what to do. Please let me know in the comments, or even give me a personal message on my socials. So frustrating, as I had a full video planned and I obviously wanted to get the glow plug situation sorted. But sometimes this is the case with a car this age, this mileage, and it's just strange because I've parked it up, it's been completely fine. I've used the mole grips so many times to open the bonnet, but here we are. Also, since this is basically a cry out for help video, I do require the full mechanism and cover with the lever for this area, because once the bonnet's open, I do want to sort this. Like, this is absolutely as cowboy as you can get. So if you do have this for sale or whatever, please hit me up, I will buy it. If it's in this grey colour to match the interior, absolute bonus, but if not, I really don't care, because like I said, this has completely sort of ruined a video, it's ruined my time, and I really want to get rid of this. So yeah, totally less than ideal, but a couple of things to take away from this is, one, if you've ever had this problem before and have a suggestion, or you know how to open the bonnet without the cable being attached and limited access to reach under, please let me know. And also, if you do manage to actually have or know someone that has that full cover with the lever latch mechanism for sale, let me know. And just to end off this relatively quick video, if you didn't know, there is now a TDI Society merchandise store called TDI Store. Just go to tdisociety.com and it'll take you straight there, or click the link in the description. Already we've sold out of the small t-shirts, but don't worry, we've still got medium, large and extra large, along with some cool stickers. Also, still currently free delivery, so if you like something, order it and I'll personally wrap it and send it totally free. And of course, hit that subscribe button, it's totally free. And I just want to say thank you so much to each and every person that has subscribed to the channel, continues to follow along and engages in the videos. It is massively appreciated. So hopefully we can figure this issue out together and continue on in the next video. Thanks for watching.